Hi, I'm Evil Ryu, and today, I'm going to pull the fire alarm at Whole Foods Market as a funny prank. Alright, now to get out of this store before I get caught.
Red, what's going on? Why is the fire alarm in Whole Foods Market going off?
I don't know, Stimpy. There's probably a fire or something. But either way, we should probably get out of here. Right now. Follow me to the exit, Stimpy.
Alright, Red.
Tobias, the fire alarm in Whole Foods Market is going off. What's going on?
I don't know, Gumball. Probably because there's a fire in this store. We should probably leave this store right now. Let's use the exit.
At Evil Ryu's house.
Hi, my evil clone. How was your day today?
My day was great. My normal clone, Ken and Dan.
Glad to hear it, Evil Ryu. Oh, my phone is ringing. I wonder who it is. Hello, this is Dan speaking. How can I help you?
Hello, Dan. This is the manager of Whole Foods Market, Aubrey the Colby Kylat and Kane Brown fan speaking. I'm calling to let you and your brothers know that your evil clone Evil Ryu has caused trouble at Whole Foods Market.
Really? What trouble did Evil Ryu cause at Whole Foods Market?
Well, the fire alarm at Whole Foods Market went off, and we all had to evacuate the store immediately. Then, I checked the security camera footage in Whole Foods Market, and I found your evil clone Evil Ryu pulling the fire alarm in Whole Foods Market.
What? Oh my god! I can't believe Evil Ryu would do something like this at Whole Foods Market. Thanks for telling me. He is going to be so grounded for this.
Oh, and one more thing. You and your brothers will be fined $2,000 for what Evil Ryu did at Whole Foods Market. I expect the fine to be paid by next month.
Unbelievable. We're being fined $2,000, and we have to pay the fine by next month. Oh, Evil Ryu is gonna get it now. Goodbye, Aubrey the Colby Kylat and Kane Brown fan.
Goodbye, Dan, and have a nice day.
Who is that on the phone? It was Aubrey the Colby Kylat and Kane Brown fan, the manager of Whole Foods Market. She called me to tell me that your evil clone pulled the fire alarm at Whole Foods Market. She also told me that we're being fined $2,000, and we have to pay the fines by next month. What? Oh my gosh! My evil clone. We can't believe you pulled the fire alarm at Whole Foods Market and got us fined $2,000. You know that you're not supposed to do that at all. I agree with your normal clone, and now we have to pay the fine by next month because of what you did at Whole Foods Market. That's it. You are grounded for 9 weeks. Go to your room right now.
Wow.